Today, we're learning about an important rule: your body belongs to you. No one should touch the areas covered by your bathing suit. Whether someone is being playful or not, you always have the right to say, "Stop. Don't touch my body."
Hi friends, welcome to this beautiful sunny beach. I am so happy you have come to learn, feel, and grow. My name is Excalibur. I love my colorful swim shirt and my bright swim trunks. Don't you? Not only do I think they are cool, but I'm going to use them today to teach you an important lesson. The areas of my body covered by my swim shirt and swim trunks are my private areas. Private areas are places that no one should touch unless you says it's okay. If anyone tries to touch you in the areas you wear a bathing suit, you need to tell them, "Stop, don't touch my body. My body belongs to me, and your body belongs to you." We all have the right to protect our private areas. If someone tries to touch you in a way that makes you feel sad or mad, you must be strong and say, "Stop, don't touch my body." We also have to be kind to each other. That means no pushing, no hitting, no kicking. If someone tries to push, hit, or kick you, you need to say, "Stop, don't touch my body." Everyone has a personal space bubble, just like this glowing circle around me. No one is allowed in your bubble unless you tell them it's okay. If they do, tell them, "Stop, don't touch my body." If someone touches you where you wear a bathing suit, you can always tell a grown-up you trust, like a teacher, a parent, or a caregiver. They are there to help keep you safe. You have learned an important lesson today. Thank you for being such great listeners. One last time, everyone together, stop, don't touch my body.